Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're trying the last individual packet from Potty Pack, and that is their hydration pack. This is for fast recovery. So the first we have is Rehydrated, which is the electrolyte powder, water not included. There is a chew, then there's a painkiller, then there is sunscreen, lip balm, and expanding towel. Now if you want to see what the expanding towel does, if it's the same one that is from the past, I'm going to put a link for that video below. So here's our power pack, and then you got Asprin. This is looks like the chew, and then sunscreen and the towel and the lip balm. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna try the powder, and this is Squencher Zero is what it came with it, and it's orange, sugar free. So almost tastes like an orange Gatorade. There's a little bit difference because it's sugar free, but yeah, this is a great thing to have. Yeah, sugar-free electrolyte. Yeah, this is really good. And if you're out camping or if you need something to pick me up for electrolyte, that's actually really good. So now we're going to try the chew. Now this is the chew, and the great thing about the chew and the powder was I was just outside sprinkling a barrier around our fence because we have skunks that live in the neighborhood where people have decks where they don't take care of it, so they go underneath and hibernate. So I'm going to try this. We did both of the chews, but actually when you read it, it says drink with a full, have some water, so I'm drinking this. So because it said it was a chew, the first one I actually chewed off screen, had to edit it, it was a very bad taste, but then we read it, it was like take with a glass of water, but you read the back, electrolyte chews. So my fault, probably should have read, but they tell you choose, hey, you know, it's a chew, but they're electrolyte pills. This is about an hour and a half later from when I took the pills to even drinking the water. I actually feel really good, feel refreshed and stuff, so it's definitely good to have if you're camping or especially hiking. I think this is a great thing to have because of having the lip balm, the sunscreen, the aspirin, and the towel. Great things to have, and for all this for $2, you really can't beat it. That's going to be the end of this kind of series. If you want to see any of the other videos, that will be, you can go to my playlist and you can see everything that was given to me. I just want to say thank you to Potty Pack for sending this stuff to me. They got great products. It's veteran owned, and the price points of it is really good, between $2, $3, $4, and I think even $5 at the absolute most, which I could be wrong, depending on certain products that I didn't receive, but I saw in their catalog. But all in all, very good product, and you should definitely go check them out. With that being said, write down below if you guys have tried the hydration pack or anything else. And hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.